I don't like them.
What? Hi guys, welcome to another vlog. By the title, you guys already know what the vlog is, and today is the Monday, and yeah, so I wanted to do like it's a vlog. I'm trying to do like 2 days because I know for sure I can't get 2 appointments done in 1 day because of the lockdown situation. But let's see how far it goes, and I'll take you guys with me. Hi guys, I got done. Hello. Hi guys, I got done with my haircut. I'll show you guys the entire look after going back home. I'm covered with my sunglasses and my mask now. So let's go back home, and I'm trying to. Maybe I'll give you guys my mom's reaction. That'll be fun, maybe. So I'll document my mom's reaction and see what my mom will tell. My mom hates short hair, so I'm gonna get a nice scoldings if I'm not wrong, because Indian mom. So let's see. I'll go to my mom's place and then I'll try vlogging her reaction. How do you like my hair?
Nice.
Hello. Hi guys. So I quickly wanted to show you guys how my hair looks. Please ignore the mess, but yeah. This is how it looks. I had a very I want to say it as a light feather. I have a feather on the bottom part, like it's like a lob. But yeah, I'll try putting up more pictures, but this is how it looks. Please ignore the mess behind. It's always gonna be like that in my house. Okay. I love it. Alright, this is how it looks. It's so nice. I love it, and it feels so fresh, so airy. So yeah, this is the hairstyle, and I'm in love with it. Hi, mommy. How do you like my hair? Mommy? Mommy? Banda?
Day 3.
Hi guys, welcome to another day, and I don't know where I stopped the other day, but today is a new fresh day and I'm at my mom's place. I'm waiting for her to come so that I want to take her out for something that I planned. I don't know how far it'll go, so let's see. Hi, mommy. Hi guys, I got back home, and I did not have the time to vlog because there is a lockdown kind of a I don't know, leeway till 2 o'clock. So there was so much traffic and I couldn't like vlog and drive at the same time, so I couldn't show you anything, but there are a little snippets. You guys already know by now. We went to get our nails done, my mom and I. I think this is the first time my mom ever got her nails done. She always wanted to, but there was something or the other that kept coming up, and I'm gonna show you guys how my nails look. So wait for the big reveal. 1, 2, 3. I love my nails. They look so beautiful. I'm trying to like zoom. It's a weird place to show off, but I really love my nails. I think this is like the first time I ever got acrylic extensions, and I love this. I don't usually go for such kind of bold colors, but because it's my first time, I thought why not. So this is like my beautiful nails. I'm gonna show you guys the other hand because I have my engagement ring on it. So this is how it looks like. I love how beautiful my nails look. These are so pretty. I got it at a nail talk, and yeah, okay, now let's go try whether Lalit likes it or not, because I think I showed it to him, and because he knew that I was vlogging, he told he didn't like it. So let's go ask once again. Babe. Hello.
Hello.
Okay, wait, now what do you think about my nails? Do you like my nails?
They're good.
Thank you. Alright, that is it for this video. I don't think I have a lot to talk to you guys about, but I hope you guys really enjoyed it. If you did, go ahead, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, come join my family. It'll mean a lot to me, you guys. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.